Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got another neat idea on a face mask, and what you're going to need is a pair of socks, a pair of clean socks, new if possible, and you're going to make some face masks. So one sock, you'll get one face mask. I'm going to use these ones with spiders on them. So what you're going to do is I'll put that one to the side. First of all, we're going to cut this part here off. And I've got kind of just normal woolly socks, and I'm going to cut this end off, cut this band off, don't need that, just like that. Don't worry about any little frayed edges that come up, they'll come off once you start using it, especially once it's been washed as well. So what you're going to do now is we're going to fold it, just fold it over. There's a bit soft there. Fold it over nice and neat, like this. So this is the heel here and the toe. We want to keep the heel. This is the part that's going to go over your nose. So this is why you need nice clean socks. You need to have nice clean socks. What we're going to do is we're going to cut in a diagonal up here, and this is the area that will go across your nose. This is the heel, this is your toe, and that's the top where you cut off. So we're going to work in a diagonal up there. This is really easy. Just cut up your sock. It's quite thick. Cut right up to the corner up here. My poor little spider's going to get a little cropping here. Right up to that corner. Like that. It's quite thick. Put that aside. And what you've got is this. You'll have this. That's your heel. And that's that part, the rest of it. So what you're going to do now is we're going to cut a notch out so that you can make the earpiece. This is going to be the part that will go around your ears. So make sure that they're together so you get them in the same place. And you're going to cut a little triangle out. A little triangle. It's quite thick. Make sure your scissors are sharp. And that's basically it done. Told you these were really quick. Once you give it a rub, all your ends will all come off. And then you open it up. Oops, just make sure that my end part here is cut off. There we go, you can tidy it up as you go along. And that's it. So the heel goes over your face and they go around your ears. And that's you got a really cheap face mask. So once you've got it opened, what's going to happen, because it's that stretchy type material, your end's just going to curl in and it's not going to annoy you at all. And that's you got, it's quite a strange, that's you got a face mask made out of a sock. So if you do these all different colours, all different types of socks, you'll get all different types of face masks. And it is recommended that you wear a face mask of some kind when you're out and about now. So thank you very much for watching. Quick and simple this video, quick and simple. Please subscribe to my channel, just click on that subscribe button. Also, if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will notify you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon, and I hope you all stay safe.